Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a silk press on my longtime client here, and if her hair looks familiar, that is because she has been on the channel before. I had done her custom color sew-in. This was her first appointment, and I've been seeing her for about a year now. So today we're doing a silk press. Let's get into it. After freshly washing and deep conditioning her hair, I'm going in with my Emergency Miracle treatment. Now that is my leave-in conditioner from my Timelessly Curly hair care line, and I use it on every client after a wash because I want to make sure that the moisture stays in the hair for longer, especially if we're going to put some heat on the hair. To prep her hair for heat, I'm going in with Like Dew, which is my blow dry cream, and it has heat protection, but then it also has the moisture content from the cream to make sure that her hair is moisturized even after being blown out, where hair can get so dry and crunchy. And then to seal everything in, I'm going in with the amethyst oil, which is an oil that is lightweight so it won't weigh her hair down, but then it also has heat protection, so it's doubling up on heat protection, and then it's going to provide lots of shine. I love this thing. All right, y'all, so as I'm blow drying, let's get into it. In the beginning of this appointment, my client was telling me how she is just at a plateau. She is just so bored with her hair. And don't get us wrong, her hair is so healthy. It's been growing, it's moisturized. She has a better handle on her hair now since her first appointment. Like, it's improved so much. She's always had long hair, but just the way that it behaves is like so much more manageable for her. But she's reached a point where it's growing, and she's just not inspired, by her hair. And if we're gonna be honest, we've all been there where we just look at our hair and we're just like, it's not giving. It's not making me feel like my best self. It's not coming across as who I want to come across as. And what I love about this client in particular is that me and her are just so open. Well, with me and all my clients, but me and her, we just are so open about where we are in life. And after chatting and diving deep, we realized that it wasn't only that she felt unexpressed with her hair, she just felt unexpressed creatively in life. And that was just eye-opening. All right, y'all, before we go any further, let's get into this blow dry. Look how shiny, look how healthy it is, and just the movement of it alone. That comb is getting through it. You can see that even after getting blown out, that hair still has moisture in it. It still looks healthy. So for this appointment, in order to jazz things up for her, to make her feel like she feels brand new in her hair again, we really focus on the cut. And she showed me some inspo pictures of some curtain bangs, and she wanted lots of layers. So that's what I was focused on, was really just making sure that her hair just had more movement, more body, so it looked like it was moving different for her. And if you're in the same space where you're just uninspired by your hair and you need something new, I would say go with a cut first. A good cut, a good shaping will just make styling easier, and it just gives you better styling options. And then after getting a good cut, if you want to go a little further, go with some color. She already has the color, she loves the color, so just doing a good cut was all she needed. But going back to what we were talking about before, it really reminded me of that Coco Chanel quote where it says, "A woman who changes her hair is about to change her life." Now, I know we've all heard that, and it's just so crazy how true that actually is. Because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've been feeling this exact same way too, just uninspired by my personal style, my hair, all that. And that's because I realized that for the past 3 years, I have just been focused on work and not myself. And I know a lot of my clients can relate to that too. We're focused on everybody else and ourselves last. And that's why when we look in the mirror and we see our hair and it's just like falling flat, like I wore my hair in a bun all last year, and I was just like, this year, no more. And this is because we know that the way we wear our hair, the way we dress ourselves is just a form of self-expression. And when we're not looking our best, that means we're not feeling our best. And that's why getting your hair done, whether it's a cut or a color change, just something different, can really be the catalyst and inspire you to make that big change that you've been feeling from the inside out. And not to get all woo-woo with y'all, but if we're gonna go there, let's go there. Hair holds energy. Our clothing holds energy. So if you are trying to become someone new, you have to dress like that person. Who is that person? Who is she? How does she dress? How does she wear her hair? And if you have to, I just started going on Pinterest and making little mood boards of like how I want to see myself. I used to do this when I was younger, and I'm just getting back into it just for inspiration. Y'all, turning your life around, making a change, going through a transformation, it is not easy, and you have to give yourself grace. But you do have to set the time out for yourself, your wants and your needs. And I know, and I'm just speaking to myself here, is that I know we can get so wrapped up in work and doing what we gotta do and what have you, but ladies, we are not men. We are not built to be going. Like, we have to take care of ourselves. And let me not go on too much of a tangent because I will start crying, because y'all, this is not something that we just put upon ourselves. Like, this is learned, especially if we are women of color and children of immigrants. Like, we've seen our mothers and the women who raised us work so hard where they don't think about themselves. And we subconsciously have adopted that. So just to get off my soapbox, if you are making a change and you are a woman who's seeking to make a change in her life, you have to start taking care of yourself, because no one else will. We have to start putting ourselves first. And if that's how we take care of our hair, how we wear our clothes, how we get our nails done, do something that's for you. And if it's a haircut, so be it. All right, y'all, so here are the final results. Look how beautiful her hair looks. And what I love about a good cut is that it really complements the color. Now, you can see she's getting excited about it because those layers, it's just like, she just feels like a weight has been lifted off of her hair. And then in just a few moments, I'm going to show you the curtain bangs that we did. But look at just look how it's moving and the shine. And I love the products because they just keep her hair so moisturized and without it being weighed down. We used 3 products and she still has tons of movement, tons of shine, tons of body. And when she washes her hair, the curl's gonna bounce right back. Now look at these curtain bangs, y'all. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. And if it's time for you to make that change, make that change. Bye.